Hi guys, what's up and welcome back. I'm like really excited to finally be doing hair stuff again. My favorite thing with that and the Starbucks videos. About a week or two back, in the last episode of my hair ventures, I used Radical Color Remover from Sally's on my dark brown and pinky blonde hair that had bleached hair underneath it. If that makes sense. And we got this kind of lighter caramel brown. However, as stated in the video, I did not get to saturate my head as much as I would have liked, and I would like to do one more lifting session to kind of get my hair as much back to the previously bleached hair underneath as I can before I bleach more to go even more blonde. I probably sound like a mental patient right now. I kind of am. Anyways, see, we have like some darker brown down here. I just feel like before I throw straight bleach on it, it could use more lifting first. So I did go in Dollar General and grab a Color Oops. I've used Color Oops on my channel at least twice before, but we're going to be using it again today and see if we can get any lighter before I go to box bleach. That's gonna be fun. So please, if you're not subscribed, subscribe, because we're gonna be doing a lot of fun hair stuff into the summer and fall, hopefully. Yeah, Color Oops, that's today's video, and come with me on this hair journey. I want to look like this. A girl can dream. What's up guys, it's the next morning. So as mentioned, I have used this product before, and one thing I like about it is it goes a long way. I don't have to worry about getting 2 boxes to cover everything. This actually has a lot in it. I have 1, 2, and then the directions and gloves. And also like a plastic cap to put over your head after. Now, a con to this kit is that it does tend to smell like rotten eggs. So we're just pouring bottle 1 into bottle 2. The part of my hair that I want to do this to the most is my upper half with the brown. I already have my blonde under there. So it does warn to try and move quickly during application because the activity of the mixture decreases with elapsed time, so the quicker, the better. And it only has to process for 20 minutes. It actually warns don't process it longer than 20 minutes. And knowing me though, I will. So I definitely want to get like right here first. And yeah, when I used Radical Color, yeah, it's pretty watery. I actually don't remember it being this watery. I hope I mixed it good enough. It's supposed to be a little bit gel-like, I think. I feel like this is like the OG color remover. I feel like this was taken in like the 90s. Why is my skin looking so awesome? It's because my period just ended, I swear. So I'm not sure if I think I already mentioned this, but my situation is I have dark brown hair, but it was like bleached blonde, pretty light blonde. And then I did, you know, brown and black dye over it while leaving a blonde section underneath. And now I'm trying to go all the way back blonde. I mean, it's summer and I'm trying to I'm single, it's hot girl summer. I'm trying to be like platinum. Okay, sorry guys, my sister showed up and I was talking to her, but I did the application, putting this on. Time to wait 20 minutes. Alright guys, here we are. So it's crazy up until like just now when I looked in the mirror. I thought that the color remover, I thought the color oops didn't really work, and I thought it was because I had already used color remover and that one lifted it as much as it was gonna lift, and this was like a no-go. However, now that I'm looking in the mirror, I realize it definitely did something. This was the main area that was kind of dark brown that I was, of course we still have some dark brown, but like right up here, you can see it's definitely lighter than it was. I'll try to do like a side by side. But yeah, it did work, it did something. It's not like, you know, a miracle worker, but it came through. And now, and not only that, but something that's kind of interesting is my hair feels very like tame, like there's zero frizz. It feels like it's laying flat, and it feels like it's almost like it was kind of like a treatment in ways, like a conditioning treatment. I don't know, but I'm okay with how it came out, and moving forward I'll be able to lighten now from a better base. I love like the 2010 bra sticking out of the tank top aesthetic, but yeah, that's the final results for color oops. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, but the journey is like far from over. I have my shimmer lights right here, and I'm gonna be doing like an hour-long experiment with it. And there's a lot of good stuff coming, so if you're not subscribed, subscribe to my channel. Yeah, I will see you guys next time. Thank you for tuning in. I will see you guys next time.